Good morning. Isn't that gorgeous? Woohoo! It is our big snow, actually the second one. See, my husband shoveled out for the doggy, for Jax. Hey Jax, do you like it? You like the snow? Daddy shoveled for you, and it's already filled in. And this is storm number 1. Isn't it beautiful? I love it because nobody's going anywhere. No. Jax! Oh, we don't want to see that. And this is my daughter's Buddha. That poor thing is covered up to the neck. So that's what we got. Wow. It is past my, up past my boots almost. Whew. Okay. Well, I hope everybody has a very healthy and safe day and a blessed day. And I just thought everybody on YouTube would like to see this. I love everybody, and I'll soon get back on to my cooking. Okay. Been hanging in there. Miss everybody. Love everybody. Have a good day.